lounge. It's about 7:45 right now in the evening, and in about an hour we'll be leaving for Berlin. But that's not the final destination for this summer.
No, this summer we are going to the Philippines and Taiwan in together, and we are flying to Berlin tonight and then flying to Istanbul and Riyadh tomorrow. And coming from Istanbul, we're flying back in business class with Saudia, which we already showed you 2 times, but they keep dropping these amazing fares, sub €1,000. So heck, why not?
Let's go! Tomorrow we'll be doing a room tour. For now, we're going to sleep. Good night.
So as we guys did promise you, we would do a room tour before we left here. Yesterday we found out that there's no light on the ceiling, which means yesterday it was too dark to do one. So before we leave now, I'll give you a quick room. It's not a quick room tour, it's not too special or anything, but it's just, it will do the trick for a quick overnight from the airport. So right here is the bed that we have and the window with quite a nice view, as this is a very nice day today in Berlin. And yeah, as we mentioned, there is no ceiling light, which means that the only lights you have here in the room are 2 reading lights and also the one we have here in the corner, which looks a bit sketchy, so yeah, we didn't use it. We have a TV. And the only other thing is the bathroom, which is small. That's okay.
We had a quick breakfast, took a bus to the airport, and now we're back at Tegel to get on our flight to Istanbul in about an hour. So we're ready.
What we failed to realize is that we got the bulkhead seats, first row of economy.
Don't mind at all.
Yes.
Welcome to Istanbul's new airport. We know we didn't film anything during the flight. That's because we had a medical emergency on board and we didn't really want to bother anyone. There was a lot going on. So that's why we didn't film anything right then. We now have a 2-hour layover here before we fly on to Riyadh.
Feeling more like a fancy mall than an airport at the moment. This is actually insane. What an upgrade from Atatürk Airport in the last month that it was operational. We're on our way to the lounge right now. Time to check it out how that is looking.
shame we don't have a longer layover than 45 minutes in this lounge. Oh my god, it's just pretty. We scored these big chairs that we are lounging in right now, and even though it's an open plan towards the rest of the terminal, you don't really notice a lot of noise coming from downstairs. And yeah, it's just really nice open air lounge, a lot of natural light coming in, there's a lot of wood that's been used, so epic.
Sweating because we saw the sign saying boarding and a few seconds later it turned into last call, so that was great. Ran for about 10 minutes, something like that, in this goddamn heat with 2 suitcases, so that's great. But we made it and we'll finally be flying business class. So, do you remember how we said we would get ice cream when in Riyadh? Well, then we weren't gonna get ice cream in Riyadh because our flight from Istanbul was delayed. But now our flight to Manila is delayed as well, so ice cream! After lots and lots of stress, we finally found our beds for tonight, and this will be the final flight until, well, for 24 hours or something like that. But yeah, coming 9 hours, this will be our sleeping place.
Absolutely.
What?
As it turns out, these are the same seats we had last year when we went to Jakarta, so they're perfectly fine to sleep in. And yeah, it's a 9-hour night flight. We arrive at 2 in the afternoon or something in Manila, which is just nice. And
It's just fine.
We are also a little bit delirious, both of us, from lack of sleep. I only slept 4 hours when you were in Berlin this morning.
This morning? It
Yes,
doesn't
and
feel
we are
like this
3
morning.
flights further, so yeah, I'm done. Gonna
So-
eat, gonna sleep, and then we arrive in Manila.
Good night. Good morning.
Good morning, we're almost near Manila. We're landing in about 10 minutes. We slept beautifully. Kimberly slept, I think, for almost 6 hours, or
Yeah.
out of 9. And I slept something like that as well. We're about to land.
It
It's
was
been a
good
long
flight.
journey.
This last one was a really good flight.
Oh yeah, the last one was beautiful. Oh well.
Can't wait to be there though.
Time to explore Manila. We're here. Finally, we arrived in our hotel. We're staying at the Kimberly Hotel. Because what else? Yeah. We are for about 25 hours here in Manila. We're leaving tomorrow around noon for Coron, where we are going to stay 5 days, but that's all later to come. So for now, we'll end this vlog here and pick up the next one, and in a few hours, I think, maybe. So, thank you for watching. See you next time.